G'day guys, Moz from Oz, how you doing? And hello to all the Triumph adventure bike riders out there on the planet. Look, I've been asked about the slip-on muffler I put on the bike. I've got a 2019 XRT 800, Tiger 800 that is. I didn't like the freaking ugly exhaust they stick on there, which weighs a little over 5 kilos. So I did a bit of research, didn't like the sound from a lot of the mufflers that I looked at. So I settled for the Fuel Diablo carbon. It's a MIDI, so it's a little bit shorter than normal. Had a couple of guys ask me what it sounds like, so I'm going to record it, but a lot of the times the sound doesn't do it justice when you put it on video, unless you've got, you know, expensive mics and that. This is only a camera. So what I'll do, I've got the baffle in. I usually ride it with the baffle out. Can't remember if I mentioned the original exhaust weighs 5. This comes in at around 3. I'll start it up with, I've already warmed the bike up. I'll start the bike with the baffle in and I'll pull it out while it's running so you can maybe hear the difference. Okay. Okay, so this is with the baffle in, as you can see, there it is there. There's a screw on the side which you can take out to remove it. Quite easy actually. Okay, I'll take the baffle out. Don't know if it's going to affect the sound, but I'll do a couple of different angles. You get the gist of it. Fuel is based in the UK. They're a family-run business. Very easy to deal with. They've got an online site. You can just order it. They've got a few different types of mufflers. I like this one personally. I think it suits the bike. Anyway, hope that was informative. Moz from Oz. Check you later.